nama Kaisara binti Mat Haridat. My ID number is 2025294732.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Alia Akila binti Muhammad Faizal. My ID number is 2025296036.
Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Syafiq Ali Sumara binti Syazali Effendi. My ID number is 2025403362.
My name is Nur Hidayah Faizi Amira binti Maspazi. My ID is 2025407044.
For the first question, A, we need to calculate the population in the year 2006. So we know that P equal to 120,000, I equal to 0.032 over 1, and we get the answer 0.0032 by simplify it. And N equal to M multiplied by T, that is 1 multiplied by 6, and we get 6. So first, we need to write down the formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I power of N. And we need to substitute the formula. That's it. S equal to 120,000 bracket 1 plus 0.032 power of 6. And we get the answer 144,963.75. But since the question asks for the population, we can round off it to 144,964 people. For the second question B, we need to calculate the population in the year 2013. So P, we need to use the previous S for our P, that is 144,964. I equal to 0.045 over 2, and we simplify it to get 0.0225. So N equal to M multiplied by T, that is 2 multiplied by 7, and we get 14. And we need to write down the formula S equal to P 1 plus I power of N. Substitute the formula S equal to 144,964 1 plus 0.0225 power of 14, and we get the answer 197945.93. So since the question asks for people population, we can round up the answer, that is 197946 people. So C, we need to find the total percentage increase in population from 2000 to 2013. So we need to use the previous S from question B, S minus P over P multiplied by 100%. So substitute the formula. 197945 minus 120000 over 120000 multiplied by 100%, and we get the answer 64.96%.
So now I would like to explain my part, which is question 2. For an AA bank, the P is 60,000, the K is 0.043, the T is 9 years, M is 4, I is 0.01075, and is 36. So for this question, we use the formula S equal P 1 plus I power N. S equals 60,000, 1 plus 0.01075 power 36. X equal 60,000, 1.01075 power 36. S equal to RM88171.10. For the MHA bank, the P is 60,000, K is 0.044, T is 9 years, M is 6, I is 0.044 over 6, and N is 54. For this question, we also use the formula S equal P 1 plus I power N. S equal 60,000, 1 plus 0.044 over 6 power 54. S equal 60,000, 1.007333333 power 54. S is RM89023.43. So for the question B, Fahmi should choose an AA bank because an AA bank gives him a lower future value. It means he will pay less for the total repayment over 9 years. An AA bank is cheaper by about RM852.33.
So now let me explain my part, which is question 3. You guys can pause if you guys want to read the question. As you guys can see here, we need to find P. So P equal to X, I equal to 2.8% over 4. We can simplify it as 0.007 as they already give us, which is 99105.95. And we need to find N, which is 4 multiplied by 10 equal to 40. So the formula we need to use is S equal to P 1 plus I power N. S 99105.95 equal to P 1 plus 0.007 power 40. We need to simplify the bracket first, and we got the 1.321839,794. So we move the bracket to the left side, so it turns out to be 99105.95 over 1.2321839794 equal to P. So we calculate them, and we got 74975.765 equal to P. So P is equal to RM7487. P equal to RM74975.77. So let me continue with my part B, which is question A. S equal to 11000, I equal to 12% over 4. We can simplify it as 0.03, and 4 multiplied by 4 equal to 16, and we need to find R, which is X. The formula is S equal to R 1 plus I power n minus 1 over 1. S is 11000 equal to R 1 plus 003 power 60 minus 1 over 0.03. We need to calculate the bracket first, so we got 20.15688813. So we need to move it to the left, which is 11000 over 20.15688813 equal to R. And we calculate it, we got 545.719 equal to R. So R equal to RM 545.72.
So for the question part B, we need to find S. S equal to X. R is 545.72, I is 0.03, and is 20. So for this question, we need to use the formula S equal R 1 plus I power n minus 1 over I. So S equal 545.72, 1 plus 0.03 power 20 minus 1 over 0.03. S equal 545.72 to 6.87037,449. So S is RM14663.70. So 16800 minus 14663.70 equal to RM2136.30. Datuk Sri Ridwa cannot afford to buy the Hermes Epsom Kelly bag yet because the bag costs more than her savings. She is short by RM2136.30.
For question 2, we need to verify the accuracy of the monthly payment shown for the 6-month and 12-month plans. For 6-month, we need to identify information from the passage. The original price for the laptop is RM2690, fee is 9% and is 6. I is 0.02 over 12. We need to find A. A equal to 2690 multiply 0.09, and the answer will plus with the original price of laptop. And we get 293.2.10. After that, we need to write a formula and substitute into the formula. 293.2.10 equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.02 over 12 power negative 6, and the answer is RM 491.54. For 12 months, we also need to identify information from the passage. The original price for the laptop is RM2690, fee is 18% and is 12, and I is 0.00125. We need to find A. A equal to 2690 multiply 0.18, and the answer will plus with the original price of the laptop, and we get 3174.20. After that, we need to write a formula and substitute into the formula. 3174.0 equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.00125 over 0.00125 power negative 12, and the final answer is RM 266.67. I think Ikaru should proceed with the purchase because based on conclusion, it appears to be inaccurate with the value state. However, the conclusion for monthly installment show it have a slightly different amount compared the value state. Therefore, Hikaru can still proceed with the purchase since the amount is still within her budget.